Nitish Kumar files Rajya Sabha nomination, ending historic tenure as Bihar Chief Minister. In a significant political development, Nitish Kumar, the longest serving Chief Minister of Bihar, filed his nomination papers for the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections. The move signals the likely end of his record setting tenure as Chief Minister, a position he has held since 2005. Speaking after filing the papers, Kumar assured that the new government in Bihar will receive his full cooperation and guidance. This announcement comes just 4 months after Kumar was sworn in for his 10th term as Chief Minister in a grand ceremony held on 20th November in Patna. Kumar explained that from the start of his political journey, he aspired to serve not only in the Bihar legislature but also in both houses of the Indian Parliament, hinting at his long-term vision for national level politics. The development has sparked intense speculation in state political circle, with many analysts suggesting that Bihar could soon witness its first Chief Minister from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Deputy Chief Minister and senior BJP leaders are being discussed as potential successors. The Election Commission has announced that polling for 37 Rajya Sabha seats across 10 states, including Bihar, will take place on 16th March, making this a critical event for both state and national politics. Union Home Minister Amit Shah praised Kumar's tenure, hailing his contribution to Bihar's governance and administration, marking the end of an era in the state's political history.